Welcome. If you're looking to stay organized and not miss out on your favorite group posts, today's guide is for you. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to mark a group post as interested on the Facebook app when using your PC, following the latest update. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Head over to your home page, where you'll see your groups listed in the left-hand panel, or pinned to the top if you visit them often. Once you've chosen the group you're interested in, scroll through the feed to find the specific post you want to save for later. Whether it's an event, a sale, or just a helpful tips post, you can stay up to date with just a few steps. When you spot the post, look to the top right corner of it. You'll notice 3 small dots, also known as the More menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a list of new options. This is where you'll find the features connected to that post. From the menu, look for the option marked Interested. Click on it. By selecting Interested, you'll let Facebook know that you want to keep track of this particular post. You may start seeing updates or reminders about it as it gets more comments, changes, or reactions. This feature is especially handy for posts about upcoming events, group activities, or posts you want to revisit without having to scroll endlessly. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to efficiently mark a group post as interested using the updated Facebook app on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more social media tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.